Langga-Langga sa papa.
Not every one of us has given a chance to experience life with a father. If you have, be grateful and celebrate each moment. Nowadays, most of us are tied on social media accounts. It seems like we can't live without it. Do you agree if I say that you love your social media accounts more than your family? Of course, you will say no. But look at this. You spend more or less 3 hours a day staring with your social media accounts. Now, have you spent the same length of time with your family? I doubt it. Before you met your friends, before your workmates, before your so-called best friends, we are with you. On your first smile, on your first cry, or even on your first poop. They love it. They love everything about you. Please love them too when they are old.
Saan naman akong tatayo, gi-arthritis sa mga kamukani, nangatakilid naman. Agoy, atong i-exercise ni Tay, kay parang dili ni madayunan yung arthritis, oh. Ilay, sige, bibi.
Gave their best when you were young. Return the favor now that you are old.
Wala, para mag-exercise.
Do not leave them.
Open. Very good. Grabe po. Ano naman natin? Uy! Langga-Langga ang tatay. Artistang Hilaw. Ako si Bulkit.
Ako na si Marco, gamong kauban niya.
Si Tatay Todio. Uy, gisi ako short pan. Si Tatay Todio. Oh, Custodio Albiso, 90 years old, among oldest Artistang Hilaw members. Ana, so atong salida atong ipakita nga sa
Among salida, ang istorya yung pagpakita nga ang amahan, iunsa niya pagpangga ang anak kung ato kong ibalo sa ilaha.
Oh, correct. Kung palangga itong amahan sa una, dapat inikatigulang nila ato sa ibalik ko. Palanggaan ko na ito sila. Sama sila pagpalangga sa tuwa sa una. Ano lang ha? So again guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daddy Chumi, for more videos like this. Thank you so much!
Subscribe!